Welcome one and all to the Ouija God channel.
In the darkness of nighttime, as you lay down to sleep, in your dreams we will meet.
Previously on Aliens on a Boat.
Let's see the clip.
A man known as Ouija God is being investigated for the missing people. I am Brad Turner, and I have with me here an officer who would like to speak on Ouija God's behalf.
Yes, I am a real officer. I have a really cool gun right here, as you guys can see.
You don't know the power of the dark side, son. Yes, I am a real officer. I have a really cool gun right here, as you guys can see.
Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. It's okay. I am an officer.
Something tells me that he was not a real officer and was up to no good. What are those little flashy light thingies? Oh my god!
I came from the darkness into the light.
Thank you for tuning in to Breaking News, and a happy Halloween to everyone out there. I am Brad Turner, and today we have a few things to discuss with you guys here on Breaking News. So in today's news, for starters, an officer known as Officer Charlie went missing. Here is a picture of Officer Charlie. That, however, is what he looked like before he was brutally murdered. We found him down a road in the dirt, and here is the pictures from the crime scene. And here is the footage that they took during it. And now we will be right back after these messages, 'cause we've got more to tell you.
Alien mouth soap. Only
$49.99.
get yours today. Look at this happy customer.
Alien mouth soap! Alien mouth soap!
If you are not over the age of 21, do not purchase this product. If you are not sure that you should buy this or not, do not buy it. This product may cause heart failure. Alien mouth soap may kill you immediately after consuming. Consult a doctor to see if alien mouth soap is right for you.
Now in other news, the man known as Ouija God went missing, and now we have found some evidence thanks to the Breaking News crew, which is my favorite show, by the way. But they turned up some evidence, which was the Ouija God beanie that he always loved to wear. But where is exactly Ouija God at? Let's see exactly the footage that they came up with by mistake.
I'm Matt,
And I'm Damien.
and today we are looking for aliens
In space.
on Earth. Again, because we can't afford a spaceship as normal. But let's get started and see what we come up with. Are aliens real or are they fake? We'll find out in this episode on the Breaking News crew.
So today we are out in this forest here, looking for the aliens, if they do exist.
We do not understand why, but they seem to be attracted by peanut butter. It always disappears whenever I leave it outside the fridge. It's gotta be that.
It's got to be those aliens. We have found some kind of mysterious watery substance here.
Could be jelly. It's a little dry though. Kind of fresh, but kind of dry too. It's like semi.
Oh, look at this. I found a really cool beanie. Anything to do with this liquidy substance around here?
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. Just a free beanie. How does it look on me, guys?
Good. A nice little pink thing. I'm surprised it doesn't have any blood marks on it.
Is that what that is?
It could be. How can that work?
I think it's blood. It would appear so that Ouija God may be dead. We are not sure at this time, and cannot say for sure if he is dead or alive. That was quite a bit of blood, I would say, on someone's hands, or on a tree stump, because no one's hands were involved as far as we could see in that footage. So I'm not totally sure of what just exactly happened, but we will get down to the bottom of this to see what did happen, because I still am Brad Turner, and I will uncover this story if it's the last thing that I do, even if I get fired, like everyone else from this really crappy news channel. I never should have came to breaking news, because breaking news is terrible. But I am Brad Turner, signing off of breaking news. I wish it was forever, but I'll be back whenever breaking news does occur.
Alien mouth soap, only $49.99. Buy yours today.
My name's Officer Chuck.
I'm Officer Norris. Just have a few questions for you today.
I'll be heading for the car for some gear.
Alright, I'll just take over this. So I've been here for a week now, and you guys haven't showed up until now. And now I called you guys because I found a dead body and I didn't know what else to do. Yeah, it took us a little bit of time to get out here. As you can see, it's been snowing a lot. The car got stuck, and yeah, we just had to walk like the rest of the way. So that's why it took us so long. But we're here now, and you're Trey, and you found the body, right? We did identify that body as Officer Charlie. He's in the morgue now. They're seeing what exactly happened to him because they're not sure. Did you have any other information that what you saw or anything at all? No, I didn't. All I saw was he was just laying on the ground, and that was it. And I just didn't know what to do. All right, well, we'll take it from here. Thank you, Trey. Yep. Alien mouth soap's not selling very well.
That is not good news.
Yep, definitely not. Now, you guys know that we were promised our lives as long as we got the word out there about the alien mouth soap. And with raising the prices, I felt that it was just going to sell more. And it's just not.
So, what's the plan?
I think we're going to have to raise it more.
Raise the price more?
Yeah, we're going to have to raise the price up probably to $69, $69.
69. How about a solid 420?
No, that's too low. We're going to have to raise it to $69, $69.
I like that idea.
It's a good idea.
Good plan.
Pretty nice plan.
Maybe we could actually have an exclusive bottle that is sold for the public. And then raise it to $80.
$80. That is a good plan.
I like that plan.
Yes, the good plan.
We should just keep on raising the price, and I think eventually people will start buying it based off the price.
Yep, keeping it up. Have to raise it up to make it more valuable.
It just makes it seem more precious when you raise the price like that. I definitely believe people will start buying it more when they do that. Maybe people aren't buying it because they feel like it's not worth it. What could that be?
We could add more coconuts.
Yes,
100%.
more coconuts.
Yes.
100% coconut alien mouth soap implanted juice.
And it's all natural products.
Minus the implants.
Minus the implants.
Now, we also tried the thing, guys, where we tried to sell 2 for only the price of 2, which at the time was $40.
Yeah.
So maybe we should try to sell 3 for the price of 8.
Yes.
I don't know, we need to speak with Ouija God.
Yeah, he might have some more ideas for us.
I do
He hasn't
not
been
like
seen in a while, though. Get your alien mouth soap!
Get your alien mouse soap
Alien mouth soap!
up for sale. Buy 3, pay the price of 8.
Alien mouth soap! Get your alien mouth soap over here!
Buy one and possibly get a free shirt. No guarantees.
Anyone? Alien mouth soap? I think we should have came to this location at all.
Very deserted.
There's nobody here. Alien mouth soap? Anyone? Alien mouth soap?
Anybody? Where is the costume? customers. They should be running over here by now.
Any grabbers for the alien mouth soap?
Any takers, any leavers, just pay the price.
Alien mouth soap? Anyone?
Ouija guide's returning.
War. War never changes.
How's everyone out there doing? Ouija God here, and I'd like to tell you that this is our season finale, episode 7. But don't worry, season 2 comes in the spring. I hope you guys are ready for it, because we got a lot of great ideas planned. Now, if you want to see season 2 in the spring, and remember that it's going to be on, well, that's something that's hard to do. So make sure that you subscribe and click that bell icon so that you're notified when those go public. Thank you guys for watching this episode, episode 7. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much to all those people out there that have donated to the channel. And don't forget to go over to the community page to see exactly what's going on with the channel. That way you're up to date, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Ouija God channel if you are new. I do giveaways once a month, but you must be subscribed to enter in to win one of my giveaways. And as always, guys, have a good day or night. Ouija God out!